You wake up one morning to find that your bank account has been drained, your credit cards have been maxed out, and your most personal information has been stolen. Cybercrime is on the rise. Every day, millions of people around the world are victims of cyber attacks. The stakes are high. If you're hacked, you could lose your money, your identity, or even your privacy. In today's digital world, our most valuable assets are online. Our personal and financial information, our intellectual property, and our critical infrastructure are all vulnerable to cyber attack. That's why cybersecurity is so important. Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting systems, networks, and data from cyber attacks. Cyber attacks can come in many forms, including malware, phishing scams, denial of service attacks, and advanced persistent threats, APTs. Cybersecurity is important because it protects our most valuable assets, such as our personal and financial information, our intellectual property, and our critical infrastructure. Cybersecurity breaches can have a devastating impact on individuals, businesses, and governments alike. Here are some of the most important things in cybersecurity. Use strong passwords and multi-factor authentication, MFA. Strong passwords are at least 12 characters long and include a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. MFA adds an extra layer of security by requiring you to enter a code from your phone in addition to your password when logging into your accounts. Keep your software up to date. Software updates often include security patches that can help protect you from known vulnerabilities. Make sure to install updates for your operating system, web browser, and other applications as soon as they are available. Be careful about what links you click on and what attachments you open. Phishing scams are one of the most common types of cyber attacks, and they can be very convincing. Be wary of any email or message that asks for your personal information or contains a link or attachment that you weren't expecting. Use a firewall and antivirus software. A firewall can help protect your devices from unauthorized access, while antivirus software can help detect and remove malware. Back up your data regularly. In case your devices are lost, stolen, or compromised, having a backup of your data can help you recover quickly and minimize the damage. In addition to these tips, it is also important to be aware of the latest security threats. You can do this by reading articles and news related to cybersecurity or by following security experts on social media. Cybersecurity is an important issue for everyone, regardless of whether you're an individual, a business owner, or a government official. By following the tips above, you can help protect yourself from cyber attacks and keep your data safe. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about cybersecurity, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more cybersecurity tips and videos.